Welcome back. My name is Athena from DreamForgeAcademy, and I will guide you through this lesson. Before you build anything, you build the bench you build on. By the end of this lesson, you will have Node 22, Git, an editor, and a coding agent installed on Windows, and you will have proven each one reports the version you expect. The agent is a fast assistant, but it never installs software while you look away. You install, then you make the tool prove itself. Here is the loop you will stay inside for the whole course. You give one bounded instruction. The agent proposes a change. You inspect it. You allow or reject it. You verify the result with your own eyes. Then you move on. Every prompt carries a stop line, so the agent never crosses into installing software, entering secrets, or anything you have not allowed. Install Node 22 LTS, then close and reopen the terminal so the path refreshes. Install Git and V's code. Open your project folder, name it for your own product, not the demo. Then initialize Git. Watch the screen recording. Each command prints a version line, and we read every one before moving on. Now we hand the agent a bounded, read-only prompt. Claude Code leads here. The same prompt works in Codex. It reads the versions, confirms the folder is a Git repository, and returns a plain pass or needs attention summary. It does not install or upgrade anything. The stop line forbids it. Notice the commands are identical across agents because these are the tools, not the agent. The agent says setup is complete. You do not take its word. You run node version and see a v22 line. You run git version. You open the folder in the editor. You run git status without error. Only when what you read matches the agent's summary is the bench ready. Next lesson, you choose your build path. Thank you for watching. Follow along using the course material and complete the lesson assignment. I will see you in the next lesson.